Today, we had forecast that with the market, when they had firmed up down here, that they were going to run up to 42 or 41.91 from here. We haven't had a chance to put this chart together yet. They did some tricky things here that made us sort of doubly sure they were going to do that. Look at the swing high, 41.91. So, and we gave the time that that was due in today's session. So that's primarily the only thing we've been able to do today. The market had dropped all the way down to 41.4275. I told everybody yesterday that under normal conditions, the market would be going higher before testing or touching the 42.44 level. But instead, today the market went down to first check this door. And also, as you approach the Fed interest rate announcement, you sometimes get some market behavior that isn't normal, a little bit outside of the norm. So that's something. But so therefore, with that being said, with them testing the 44 level here and then closing the 15-minute bar above that level, Jerry initiated a long position in the room for the advance to 91. We got the 91, and the market is now consolidating, waiting for the Fed interest rate announcement. A couple things. I know if you come here, you must certainly believe in what we're doing to some extent. And because of that, I would hope that you would also believe that it's probably not a good idea to try to guess on the Fed interest rate announcement what exactly the market is going to do. The volatility would be very big, and the market will ultimately, and the way that we handle it is we're not in any position. Like right now, I'm not in a position. We're not in positions, and we're just going to simply wait for about 30 minutes. And it might be sooner in our own trading, but generally for our customers, and sometimes it changes, but generally the rule is we're going to wait about 30 minutes after the Fed announcement before getting into some other position. And believe me, there's going to be at least a full week of really, really excellent volatility. The fear of missing out is probably, it's a big thing for people, and they end up chasing and getting themselves into positional problems with the market just because of the fear of missing out. And we all have it to one extent or another. I'm not so terrible with it because I know there's always other trades. There's always going to be other things that I can do. And I want it to be something that I can really believe in. And if your motive is that you're afraid of missing out, and that's stronger than your belief then your need to really be able to believe in a trade, you find yourself in bad trades. So I really need to know from my perspective that I've got it right before I'll trade. But the moment I know I've got it right, at that moment I'm in the trade. I'll jump just as quick as anybody once I know that I have that correct.